Gotta get my teeth brushed. It's not so bad. I like the taste of this stuff. Mommy's getting the toothpaste on the brush now for me. There you go, Spunky. There you go. We're going to try this, okay, Spunky Doodle? We're going to try it. This big gob. Okay, you going to let me do this? Huh? You going to let me do this today? Open. Oh, good job, Spunky. Look at that. Oh, good. Good girl. Good girl. How about the other side now? I gotta get this side. Can you open? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good, Mom. That's good. I love it. I love it. Here, you got some more on this side of the brush. Come on. Want to take some? Oh, yeah, I like this stuff. Tastes good. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. I'm trying this time. That was good. I was able to get him that time. I got him the teeth that time, Spunky. Good job. Good job. Hey, Manny, you're next. Oh, good girl. Yum, thanks, Mom. That was good. I have to bribe Manny to get him up here first. And then we'll see how this works. One of these. Yeah. You're going to let me brush your teeth now? I'm going to try. Put some of this on here. This is not people toothpaste. This is special animal poultry flavor CET. Here we go, Manny. Oh, yeah. Oh, good. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Oops, it got on your whisker. Sorry. Got that tooth. Oh, good job. Hey, Manny, good job. Good job. Let me get the back now. Let me try to get the back ones. Can you get the back ones? Oh, get over here. Yes, over here. That's good. Come on. Open. There's a good one. Oh my, look at that. Great job, Manny. That was good. Can you come a little bit over this way more? Just a little bit more there. Okay, good. Whoop, don't go that way. Where's your tooth? He doesn't have a lot of teeth. Maybe his little teeth he has. He doesn't have a lot. But boy, you let me do it today. You want to lick? Oh, okay. Oh, there he goes. There we go. Yum, yum, huh? Oh, that's good, huh? Whoops. Let's get this.
Yeah, I watched. Didn't do anything.
There we go. Whoa. Good boy, Abby. You're all done, huh? Okay. Well, she likes the toothpaste.